So question number 3 will be solved as this. What do we have to do? Simply find the sum of the ratios. That is, or you can say sum of the terms. That is, here it is 7 and 12. Okay. So have we studied that 7 is known as first term and 12 is known as the second term. So first you have to find the sum of ratios or sum of terms. That is 19. Then first part will be first term upon sum of the terms into 380. So very simple, 7 upon 19 into 380. So it got cancelled and the answer is 7 into 20. So it is 140. Similarly the second part, that will be rupees second term upon sum of the terms into 380. So again it got cancelled and gave 12 into 20. So the final is 240, or you can say the first part is 140 rupees 140 and the second part is rupees 240. If in the case of 3 parts, we would have to find the third part also, as in the question number 5. Okay, as you can see here. So as instructions given in the question, we have to find the parts. So this is, now we have to check. If we have to check the answers are the correct or not, then simply add these parts. Okay, 140 and 240. So very simply you can get 380. Okay, means to say your answer is correct. Or another way of checking that, as we can see, the first term, that is 7, is less than 12. So our first part should be less, that is 140, and second part, that is 240. It is more than the first. Okay. So this is the way to solve this question. Okay. Now the question number 6. So it says that we have to check whether it are the given numbers in proportion or not. Proportion means to say, okay, so proportion means to say samanupat, means to say sam anupat, means to say equal ratio. Means if the two ratios are equal, it means the all numbers are in proportion. So here it is clear, as you can see, 30, 45, 40 and 60. So we will take the ratio of first two numbers and then find the ratio of the later two numbers, that is 30 and 45, 40 and 60. So we got 3 upon 45 equal to 40 upon 60. As 15 2 is 30 and 15 3 is 45. 20 2 is 40 and 23 is 60. So it is 2 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 3. Means to say these are all in proportions. Or the other way, or the alternative solution for this problem is that you have to find the product of extremes and product of means. Means to say, extreme means to say the numbers which are on the outer side. For example, you can see in the question 30 and 60 are extremes. Okay, and the middle numbers, that is 45 and 40, are known as means. So you have to find the product of extremes, means to say multiply the outer numbers, that is 30 and 60. Okay, as you can clear it from the question, 30 and 60 are EE, means to say extremes, and 40 and 45 are means. So the product of the extremes and product of the means are same. So the language you have to write like this. Okay. So these are the same, these are equal, so these numbers are in proportion. So either way or either solution you can take for your question. Okay, either you can do like this or you can do like this. So choice is yours. If you have any doubt, then you can ask.